If you have old drawer pulls that you want to replace with new hardware, the distance between the hardware holes is a little odd. You've got a couple of options. One is just use adjustable hardware. The second is to fill the holes, sand them, fill the holes again, sand them, and then paint the drawer fronts before drilling new hardware holes. The adjustable hardware option is easier than that, of course, and today that's what I'm going to show you. There are a lot of different options on adjustable hardware. This in particular is from DLawless Hardware and is my personal favorite. It is called the Casual Column and the color is Champagne Bronze. They have a lot of different style and color options, but adjustable hardware's distinguishing feature is this channel which you put the screws through, the fasteners, and then you can adjust it to decide for yourself what distance you want them apart. The way to install the hardware is first you pick the fastener that is the appropriate length for you. They'll send you two different lengths. In my case, it's the longer length. Then you take that fastener and you go ahead and put it into the existing hardware holes before you add the hardware. On the back, you're going to add a washer to each side. That'll distribute the weight more evenly, and then you'll add a nut to each side. You don't want to tighten these too much to begin with before we get that hardware on. So I've got the washer on one side and the nut on that side. Now the washer on this side and the nut on this side. Again, not tightening it very much at all. Then you take your hardware, and where that channel is where you're going to have your fasteners thread through. Once you get it on there is when you tighten the back. To tighten it a little bit more, it will come with, it's called a winged adapter. I'll put the rest of these on, and if you want, you can check out the link in the description for info on the hardware. I would love for you to click like as well. Thank you. The cost of adjustable hardware is comparable to the cost of new hardware. The choice is ultimately up to you. If you would like these specifically, the links are in the description